value trades. Welcome to this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, where we will look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, WTI, Brent Crude, CAD, and the VIX. Let's jump straight into this week's economic calendar, where we see interest rate decisions from Australia, the UK and the United States, and the US non-farm payrolls, which are normally huge news events. Of course they are, but two events will hold the interest of traders in the US elections and the global problem with the latest coronavirus lockdowns. At the end of this video, you will find a link to last week's video as a guide to the US elections. All major global stock indices are lower today on COVID fears, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling back to the 200-day moving average. Also, both Brent Crude and WTI have fallen back to the $36 and $34 ranges respectively on fears of lower demand during lockdowns and curtailed air travel. As usual, any news on a coronavirus vaccine could change all this quite quickly, so traders will be monitoring the news on this. The stock market sell-off means that investors converted mostly to US dollars, and we see US dollar strength against all major currencies, with the Canadian dollar suffering the most with the price of crude oil. In fact, we see Canadian dollar weakness against all other currencies. Again, watch for volatility with the US elections tomorrow and refer back to our video called US Elections 4 Scenarios. And finally, keep an eye on the VIX, which monitors volatility on S&P 500 options, which has jumped from 25 to 35 in the last 2 weeks. That's all for now. Happy trading with value trades, and we will see you tomorrow. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.